Do you know we can simplify this just using one single step? Okay, let's solve it together. The first thing you have to know is to know about trigonometry. That is cos A plus B. Since you have like A and B, okay, looking at this, it's equals to what? Cos A, cos B, minus sine A, sine B. And in trigonometry, we have sine A plus B is equals to sine A, sine cos B, plus sine B, cos A. And also, if you simplify this, you are going to having cos 2 pi and all those stuff. Let's solve for cos 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is equals to what? If you punch in the calculator, automatically is 1 sine 2 pi is equals to 0. And you have again pi on 2. Cos pi on 2 is equals to what? 0. And sine pi on 2 is equals to 1. With all this gathered, you are going to solve this using one single step. Okay, that is equals to what? Cos 2 pi is equals to 1. Okay, that is cos A cos. That is cos 2 pi cos A minus sine 2 pi. Sine 2 pi is automatically 0. Hence, we are left here with 0. And move on to the next one. Plus, we have sine pi on 2. And what is sine pi on 2? That is 1. Cos A. We are going to have in cos A here. And cos pi on 2 is equals to 0. Okay, we are left with that other part is gone. Therefore, our answer is what? 2 cos A. That is an amazing answer to this question. Thanks for watching to the end. Subscribe.